What's good, my people? What is good? I'm out here in the middle of a damn snowstorm. Sunday morning. What time is it? It ain't even 9 o'clock yet. I thought I would be able to get out the house real quick. Soon as I stepped out the door, the snow started coming down. Once again, I'm on Silas Dean Highway. Had to come get me some numbers. Had to get out and get some fresh air because I know it's going to be a long day. So, I got to keep moving. I got to get diagnosed for that. I might have anxiety or something. Might need to start smoking weed. Shit. Debating right now, should I get on the damn highway or should I take Weathersfield Avenue all the way down into Hartford? I think I'm going to get on the highway just because it's quicker, less people. The only thing, your shit, car shut down on the goddamn highway. You stuck on the street is a little bit easier. But once again, everybody needs to hunker down. You got a little boo thing coming over. Ladies, you got a little side dude. You want to stay the night. Make sure you got some milk and cereal for his ass, some bread, some peanut butter and jelly. Fellas, make sure you got a bottle of wine for her. If she smoke weed, you might want to make sure you got enough weed. Make sure, whether she like rolling paper or blunts. Make sure you got the right supply, a lot of water. I ain't gonna say sandwiches, but like sandwiches or meat. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. We don't need the power to go out. I'm in. Once I get home, I am in for the day, for the night, till tomorrow night. And if it's snowing like they say it's supposed to snow like 12 to 18 inches, I'll just be calling out. Won't be no work for me. I'm not busting my ass to get into nobody's job. It's not happening. Other than that, oh man, I can't believe this. Hopefully I can take a picture or video of this snow out here. Maybe I ain't gonna download from my dash cam because it's too much work to be doing that. I could, but I don't feel like it. This car is moving too slow. It's not that bad, bro, that you can't speed up a little bit. You can speed up a little bit. I'm not talking crazy, but I won't say the roads aren't bad, but you can move in it. You got decent tires. And if you know your car. But anyway, I don't have much to say. I'm trying to pay attention to this damn road. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's just like with the blustery, is snow blowing all over the place. Nothing's on the ground. It's not sticking yet. Let's see where I gotta get over right here. It's not sticking yet. So I just gotta pay attention to where I'm going. It's starting to get a little messy out here. I think if that car get over, I'll be fine. Starting to get a little messy out here. I'm almost home. I am almost home. I mean, my people are saying, what the fuck is you doing out in that weather? It is what it is. this little exit here, Capitol Avenue, Capitol area exit. Not much traffic on it, so the snow is kind of piling up. But on 91 North, going deeper into the north in the Hartford, or if you're going to Springfield, those 2 lanes are kind of clear. But this one going to the Capitol area 29A is kind of getting snowed in. But I'm almost home. Long as the power don't go out, I'll be fine. Long as we can use the microwave, the stove. I don't have a generator or anything like that. But long as the power don't go out, we got TV, we got internet, I'll be fine. Well, if that power go out and it's cold out, it's gonna be a problem. But they didn't say like the power is going out. They said like fluffy snow. It's supposed to rain too. It's supposed to be kind of rainy. So it might be like a little slush. Not even a slush, like, I don't know what you call it, hail, or it's going to be something. Not just snow. Not just fluffy powder. I wish I could do hook slides, and I want to speed around and do donuts out here. I think you have to go like to a school parking lot somewhere and do that. Just to have a little fun. Oh, this guy's giving out tickets. That's what it is. Oh, yeah. That's another thing. People, no parking on the street. You better find a school or somewhere to park. Get your ass off the street. No street parking. No street. And that started yesterday, I believe. So find you a lot. Nobody's going to tow you out of the lot. Nobody's going to tow you out of the lot. So find you a parking lot to get up in. Probably just don't want to take nobody's spot. So you got to kind of like park far away from the building or something like that, so you're not in nobody's way. But the police are out doing tickets already, so they probably ordering what you call those things, the tow trucks to come. So people better be careful out here. Hunker down. Ain't nothing moving. I'm back home now. So how long have I been on there? 8 minutes? I will holler at you guys later. Hope everybody have a safe day. Those that gotta go to work second shift, you might have to call out. Third shift, y'all might not even make it in unless you're going in earlier. I know if I was working third shift at night, I would be calling out. So they would have to be making arrangements right away. I am not going out. I'm not going in nobody's job early. They don't pay us to go in early. We used to get call-in pay. We don't even get that no more. There's no trash. We got trash delivery day tomorrow, but there's no trash pickup tomorrow. So trash can sit where it needs to sit. Other than that, I will holla at you guys later. Hold on. Peace. Oh boy, hold on. It's good, people. What is good, my people? This is outside. This is outside. This is outside. It's snowing. The snow is coming down, but I am in the crib. Anyway, just wanted you guys to see this. See what's going on out here in the greater Hartford area. Snow is coming down. So make sure you stay inside, stay warm. I just came out here to do this, so I'm taking the chance. But anyway, I will holla at you guys later. That's it. Hold on. God damn it.